Want to speak natural English while making breakfast? Let's do it together, right now in my kitchen. I make breakfast in the kitchen. I make breakfast in the kitchen. I put the pan on the stove. I put the pan on the stove. I peel the onion. I peel the onion. I fry eggs. I fry eggs. I turn off the stove. I turn off the stove. I mix the eggs with a fork. I mix the eggs with a fork. I taste the food. I taste the food. I add salt. I add salt. I stir the food. I stir the food. I pour water into a glass. I pour water into a glass. I take a bite of the food. I take a bite of the food. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I dry the dishes. I dry the dishes. I clean the table. I clean the table. I take food from the fridge. I take food from the fridge. I toast the bread. I toast the bread. I wash my hands in the kitchen. I wash my hands in the kitchen. I close the fridge. I close the fridge. I cut vegetables. I cut vegetables. I set the table for breakfast. I set the table for breakfast. I bake a cake. I bake a cake. I make coffee. I make coffee. I drink water in the kitchen. I drink water in the kitchen. I spread butter on the bread. I spread butter on the bread. I heat the food. I heat the food. I eat breakfast in the kitchen. I eat breakfast in the kitchen. I use a knife. I use a knife. I sit at the table. I sit at the table. I carry the dishes to the sink. I carry the dishes to the sink. I add sugar with a spoon. I add sugar with a spoon. I open the jar of honey. I open the jar of honey. Learn English with me. If you want more videos like this, let me know in the comments.